मैच नहीं देखना, हम तो ऐसे बाहर देखना है स्टेडियम में क्या हाल चल रहा है, बढ़िया लगता है।
हम मैच नहीं देखना है, हम बाहर घूमना है। हमें केएल राहुल से मिलना है। हम दिल्ली के सपोर्टर हैं। यस यस यस। नहीं
मिचेल स्टार्क, मिचेल स्टार्क, मैं भी लेफ्ट आर्म हूँ, वो भी लेफ्ट आर्म है।
मेरे को ट्रिस्टन सबसे अच्छा लगता है। ट्रिस्टन स्टब्स।
हम इधर ही रहते हैं, पीछे माता सुंदर रोड, डीडीए फ्लैट्स।
चलिए बताइए कौन जीतेगा आज?
आज दिल्ली जीतेगी, मैं प्रेडिक्शन कर रहा हूँ।
दिल्ली जीतेगी आज। आरसीबी गंदी टीम है। विराट कोहली गंदा प्लेयर है।
फिलिप सोल्ट जो है ना 80+ रन बनाएगा।
The IPL points table is getting tighter by the day and the race for a top 4 finish is heating up like never before. And in match 46, we have a mouth-watering clash between two informed sides, Delhi Capitals and Royal Challengers Bangalore. Both sitting on 12 points, both playing some of their best cricket this season, but there's a bit of an edge for Delhi, a better net run rate and a game in hand. And as they welcome RCB to the Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi, there's more than just points on the table. It's pride, it's momentum, and a shot at securing a playoff berth in style. Now, Delhi have quietly built one of the most balanced outfits in the tournament. Their win against the Super Giants was a complete performance, solid with the bat, clinical with the ball, and full of belief. They have carved a niche for themselves as chase specialists this season, with 4 of their 6 wins coming while hunting down targets, and most of their victories have also been achieved with wickets to spare. Now that's a sign of confidence, that's a sign of calm, and of a team that knows exactly how to pace an innings. At the top of the order, Abhishek Porel and Karun Nair have slotted in beautifully, giving the team steady starts. But the real anchor, the heartbeat of the batting unit, has been KL Rahul. He's been nothing short of a rock, reliable, composed, relentlessly consistent. Whenever things have looked dicey, Rahul has been there guiding the chase, stitching together partnerships and making sure that Delhi stays on course. And of course, when we talk about fireworks, there are none needed when you have a Tristan Stubbs and Ashutosh Sharma stepping up in your game. They've turned tricky finishes into casual strolls. It's, the kind of lower order assurance every team deserves of having. Then there's the bowling. You've got a Mitchell Stark bringing all his international pedigree into play. You've got a Mukesh Kumar finding rhythm at the right time. And the ever dependable pairing of Kuldeep Yadav and Akshar Patel weaving their web around opposing batters. And let's not forget Vipraj Nigam, the new spin sensation, adding his own flavour to an already dynamic attack. It's a side that can hurt you in multiple ways, and at home they're especially dangerous. But if Delhi are dangerous, RCB are also starting to look downright ruthless. This is a side that has shrugged off its early season inconsistency and has now carries a quiet menace. After years of trying to solve the puzzle of balance, RCB just might have found the pieces. They finally broke the jinx at Chinnaswamy, not just winning there but doing it with intent, and that sparked something. They've now stitched together back-to-back wins and they have been unbeaten on the road. Now that's a scary stat for any opponent, especially when this team is rolling like they have been. The real headline though here at the Arun Jaitley Stadium is obviously, there we go.
DC! Let's go 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 DC!
That's what it is. That's what it is.
Let's go DC! Let's go DC! Let's go DC!
That's the real story. The real story when it comes to the Arun Jaitley Stadium is Virat Kohli. There's something about Kohli and Delhi. It's not just a return home, it's a return to roots. Every time he plays at the Arun Jaitley Stadium, you can feel the shift in energy like you can see right now around me. There we go.
Let's go DC! Let's go DC! Let's go DC! Let's go DC! Let's go DC!
And that's the atmosphere at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. That's the DC squad, DC Paltan, or the DC Toli, if I may correct myself, the DC Toli pouring in a lot of supporters for Delhi Capitals. They have been performing phenomenally this season. And again, coming back to Virat Kohli, it's where it all began for him, where the boy became the legend, and this season he's turning back the clock with the bat. Already 550s in just 9 matches. He's not just scoring runs, he is dominating at the moment. Bowling attacks, bossing the crease, and carrying the weight of RCB's top order like only Virat Kohli can. Phil Salt has been Kohli's partner at crime at the top, and while Phil Salt's form has slightly dipped, the threat he poses is still, large on Delhi Capitals. And Devdutt Padikal's return to form and a gritty middle order has ensured that RCB is not overly dependent on their openers. And there's more depth this season. Romario Shepherd adds that cushion, the assurance that the tail can wag if needed. So RCB is batting very deep this season. But the real transformation has been obviously the real shift that has made RCB go from hopeful to formidable has been the bowling attack. For years, RCB's Achilles heel has been their death bowling. Not anymore. Josh Hazelwood and Bhuvaneshwar Kumar have changed that narrative completely. Hazelwood sits second. Bolo? No. There's RCB. इधर आइए आ जाओ. Come on guys. विराट कोहली बैक टू बैक 50s, कैसा लग रहा है? कितना बढ़िया खेल.
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है.
और आज कौन जीतेगा, क्या लगेगा?
आज तो आरसीबी जीतेगा. कप नाम दे, आरसीबी जीतेगा.
लेकिन देखो, दिल्ली एक भी बार घर पे हारी नहीं है, आरसीबी बाहर कभी हारी नहीं है. क्या लग रहा है आज का?
आज तो रिवेंज मैच है ना.
आरसीबी आज भी बाहर खेले, जब भी हराएगी देखना.
लेकिन दिल्ली भी तो नहीं जीती है, हारी है घर पे.
देख लेना, वो आप हारेगी आज.
वही तो आज चलेगा लाइव मैच.
और सबसे ज्यादा रन कौन बनाएगा?
विराट कोहली.
विराट दिल्ली का लड़का है.
हम तो विराट कोहली का बहुत
पिछली बार जो केएल राहुल ने रिएक्शन किया था, विराट कोहली उसका आज बदला लेगा, देखना.
सब वही कह रहे कि केएल राहुल ने बैंगलोर में जाके जो अपने
कांतारा का जो सीन किया था, आज बदला लेगा विराट कोहली. वही रिवेंज है.
कोई आइडिया है क्या सेलिब्रेशन हो सकता है विराट कोहली का अगर 50 मार दे तो?
अलग ही सही होता है.
विराट कोहली का सेलिब्रेशन ये रहेगा. आज का विराट कोहली का सेलिब्रेशन ये रहेगा.
विराट कोहली का सेलिब्रेशन ऐसा होगा कि आप भी देख के चौंक जाओगे.
अरे बिल्कुल, हमें तो चौंकना ही है. हम तो चाहते ही है विराट कोहली परफॉर्म करे. कहाँ से आ रहे हो आप लोग?
हम रोहिणी से.
हम तो बैंगलोर से
स्पेशली मैच देखने के लिए आए हैं बैंगलोर से.
लेकिन विराट कोहली को सपोर्ट करते हैं.
क्या बात है
भाई. दिल्ली से है.
हाँ.
और हम बैंगलोर से हैं. 3 लोग बैंगलोर से आए हैं मैच देखने के लिए.
और बैंगलोर में कहाँ रहते हैं? कैसे जर्नी, मतलब कहाँ? वहाँ पे भी तो मैचेस चल रहे हैं.
हाँ, वहाँ पे जाते हैं चिन्नास्वामी स्टेडियम में.
चल रहा है रिवेंज मैच है,
इसलिए वहाँ से यहाँ पे रिवेंज देने के लिए
स्पेशल रिवेंज मैच के लिए.
रिवेंज मैच के लिए स्पेशली यहाँ पे दिल्ली के लिए देखने के लिए आए हैं.
चलो एक बार आरसीबी
ई साला कप नाम दे. टिकट दिखा भाई.
टिकट क्यों दिखा रहे हो?
नहीं भाई, सर बोल रहे हैं ना इसलिए.
They are showing you guys the tickets. But thank you so much guys. Thank you. बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों से बात करके. So this is what it is. Look, DC fans are pouring in, but at the same time, RCB are ready for their revenge, especially after that KL Rahul celebration in Bengaluru. So we were talking about, let's get back to talking about the bowling lineup. Yes, we were talking about Hazelwood and Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar has completely changed the narrative, and Hazelwood second on the wicket takers chart, and together this pair has really plugged the league at the end. They have started dictating terms. Batters are no longer eyeing RCB's death overs as a free for all. So when you really think about it, that brings us to the all important face off in Delhi. Delhi is unbeaten at home, armed with a team that knows how to chase, and a bowling attack that thrives on slow turning tracks. Royal Challengers Bengaluru, on the other hand, unbeatable on the road, coming off of 2 solid wins and a bowling unit that can deliver under pressure. Add to that narrative, Virat Kohli back in his city, playing in front of a crowd that still chants his name, still believes in the magic of his bat. It's not just a match. Look, this is this match has very many layers, old loyalties, new battles, home advantage, playoff pressure. Both teams have a point to prove, both have momentum, both only one step away from the playoffs. Will Delhi continue their home dominance, or will RCB's away streak roar on? Let's see what happens. But for the time, this is it from the Arun Jaitley Stadium. I'm Gargi Raut, and stay tuned, we'll be back.